Hi everyone and welcome back. There are many situations where quantities are either increased or decreased by a certain percentage, and we would like to find the final amount of the quantity, either increased or decreased. Today I have really good news because there is a clearance sale in the shop and everything is reduced by 25%. So everything 25% is decreased. And I would like to buy some shirts, that I really like. And last week the price was $30. So $30. So that was the original price. Original. So I would like to know what is the final price that I have to pay. And today I'm going to use the method called two-step method to show you how we're going to find the final price. So the first step, I'm going to just write here, step 1. The first step that we're going to do is actually find the amount of decrease. So $30, so 25% of $30. 25% is the same as 25 out of 100. Of in maths is replacement multiplication. Then we have 30. 25 out of 100 is the same as 0.25 times 30. You don't have to have this step. I'm just showing you if you have to convert into decimals. But you can use calculator here, in this line. And now you can calculate 0.25 times 30, and it should give you 7.5, which is actually $7.5 decrease. But this is how much has been decreased. As I said before, we do want to know what is the final price. So final price is pretty much, the new price. Therefore, so the new price, just write this, price is equal to original quantity, which was $30, original quantity, and then take away, because it's decreased, take away $7.5, and our final price for those shirts, it will be $22.50. So it's going to be $22.50. And that is really great. Beautiful. I'm happy that there has been some clearance, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.